All right, are you hearing noises like this? If you're hearing some groaning power steering noises, your first check is probably going to be on the power steering reservoir. So on the Traverse, you'll see it. There's a big engine cover over here. So what we're going to take the oil cap off real quick. Don't drop this. This vehicle is running currently. We're going to pop the engine cover off. You place your oil cap down there so that nothing gets misplaced. So what you have here, the engine is running, but here's your power steering reservoir right here underneath the engine cover. Kind of dumb where they put it, but that's just what they do. So you're gonna remove it and check the fluid level. Now you can see, hard to see, but we're below the minimum. We'll recheck that. And still below the minimum. We're like down here when we should be up here. So that is first sign we probably have a leak somewhere. What we're going to do is we're going to top off with Dexron 6 transmission fluid. Okay, so we're going to check again. A little higher on the stick. We're still not quite at that minimum. So it didn't need much, but this is enough to make a groaning sound. We have to check for a leak. There we go. Now we're just below the max line. So we know we're at where it's supposed to be. So now we're going to turn the vehicle steering wheel back and forth. So we're doing this. Now that we've cycled the steering a couple times, we're just going to check the level. And we're right at that minimum level. Like I said, once you cycle, get some air, get some fluid moving. We're just gonna top off. So we didn't need much more than a quarter of a quart. So we probably have a very slow leak somewhere. So check your fluid hoses, your return hose, and usually what leaks is the pressure line. And we can actually see right back here is the pressure line. You can see how she's wet, crusty. We need a new power steering pressure line to clean this all up. So, yep, that'll be what is needed. Kind of diagnosed it right there, but that's a very common spot for it to leak, and it's only going to get worse. So we will check it out, and you just put your engine cover back on, and good to go.